Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're going to be doing a date night glam. I'm going out on a date Friday night at 8 and it will be so great. Great. Name the movie in the comments below where that came from. Name the movie, okay? I hope you guys enjoy this vibey video. It's just going to be more of just music playing and vibing while I'm doing my makeup. So let me know in the comments below if you guys enjoy that style. I'll make sure to link below the products that I used in case you guys want to know and recreate this look. But we're just definitely going to just vibe right now and just beat this face and just get into it. I may do a little bit of voiceover, but not too much because I just want you guys to relax. So let me know, like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video style in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. Let's get started. Moisturize. Prime. Set. Apply foundation. Blend. Apply concealer. Apply contour. Apply cream blush and blend. With a damp sponge, blend. Now set. Set the highlight.
brighten. Clean up the contoured areas. Prime the lids and blend. Blend your transitional shade in the crease to the outer V and the front of the eye. And blend. Take a lighter color and blend. Add a shimmer shade to the lid, right in the center. To make it more intense, add a little to the finger and pat. Now blend. Smoke out the under eye. And blend. Shape the corners of the shadow. Wing out that liner from the back to the front. Add mascara. Clean those brows. Fill in your brows. Clean up the brow. Add your lash glue and apply lashes. Dust away excess powder. Now bronze and blush. Add your finishing powder. Add your highlight. Add a few moles. Add the highlighter as inner corner highlight. Line the lips with a dark brown. Add a peach tone nude to the center. Add an iridescent gloss. Set the brows. Set your face with setting spray.
Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is our date night look, and this is a real date night look. This is not for play. This is not for the video. It's a real date night look. I'm about to leave, so I need to actually wrap this up. But this is my flowers I got for my husband for date night. They smell so good. And I just wanted to show you guys or bring you guys in on what I would do for our date night, what type of look, and I think it's really beautiful, sultry, sexy, and I'm here for it. I hope you guys are too. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are feeling this look, if you guys need any more details other than what I provide on the video. Let me know in the comments and I'll let you know. But yeah, I am here for it. I'm about to leave for my date. I'll let you guys know in the next video how it goes. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. Bye.